Welcome to For the Love of Brickle. How you doing? So glad to meet ya. Come and just stories just for a few. Hello, good day, and howdy do. Welcome to For the Love of Brickle, featuring Powder. Ruff! Oh boy. Welcome, my people. I'm your girl, Brickle. You know, I always get ups and downs of things like her life. Though, so now, Powder is something else. She is human, and yes, we all discovered that, right? So, we're there, everyone has their own bed, right? But Paula doesn't have a bed, like a doggy bed or those type of things. But she has her favorite couch. Now, you see Powder laying down in her favorite couch, do not disturb her. You hear what I'm saying? Do not disturb her. I'm telling you, she acts all on the edge, and it's like I'm not the owner of her anymore. You understand? Oh my gosh. Like there was just one time she's there, you know, in her favorite couch beside my mom's bed. Our brother come in like he's saying, like for example, she's saving some amount of food for later. And brother saying, "Oh, we can eat some food from earlier and instead of wait till later till dinner time and their stuff." And mother is like, "No." My brother is like, "Why?" And step close. At this moment, Powder is near she have her favorite couch near her mom's bed, so she prunes upon him. Because she musically owned the couch, she owned my mother's side of the room type of thing, And I hold my mom's room. I'm telling you. It wasn't beautiful. He almost got his fingers nipped off. Can you believe it? Nipped off. And we had to get Powder off him. Literally. That's how defensive Powder is around my mom. And worse when she's in her favorite couch. No, one time my other brother, no, that's the bigger one. He goes to Powder like him trying to get Powder out of the couch type of thing, and she's like, you show all the dentures, everything. She show all the teeth in her gum, show. I know from she show gum, you know that mean. Leave her alone, right? Right. Yes, so you see me on a whole, I try my best to make sure say once Paula is in a comfortable position, I just leave her alone. You see me? That's just me and Paula. I try my best not to trouble her. Yes. So one night I there and I saying to myself, say, I wonder how Powder would react if the person that feeds her actually goes ahead and troubles her in her comfort zone. So I was making tea for one night and I decided that Powder love that cord so much. Let's see what I can do to trouble her. I'm telling you. I went near Powder and it wasn't a pretty sight. Thank God I didn't get my hand or fingers nipped off like my little brother did. But I'm telling you, if I just stick out my hand like so, remember, gone that gone. You understand me I say? Yeah. So crazy stuff, I'm telling you. Crazy stuff. I said Powder was tense. He's like, get the camera out of my face type of thing. Get out of here. Evacuate the area. Clear the room. Don't come any further. I'm telling you, I'm getting everything negative, straight negative vibes from Powder. Powder don't want me near her couch, nor near my own mother. That's how defensive she is, right? I'm telling you, say, Powder has no heart. So I'm like, Powder, hey, with the camera. Trying to reach out my hand. I was afraid to even try to put my hand in front of the camera type of thing. The way I'm a paranoid, because I just want to see her reaction. And I tell you, say, Powder facer than mankind. Me say, Powder facer than mankind. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, it's some crazy stuff. I'm telling you. My mom is like, just go to your room. My mom was basically doing the same thing she was doing, so they must know in which way. In the matter, I would not win, right? I would not win. Oh my gosh, people. Oh my gosh. You just have to see this. So feast your eyes. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. What's a piece of wellness? Oh, Paul. What is this out here? What's right? They're hot, so. What's right? Well, lamp on the rope, you know. Don't make. Oh, there. Is you know. See his Powder. Powder's favorite couch. The one with the cover up in a rasta colors. Eh? Hot so. Powder. Where you hot so? You not talk to me?
She said, well, my said she want to see.
Gee.
Oh.
The way she look at me like she said, touch me and see what I do. I can't move so strong, Powder. Yeah, I said people them love you. People don't love you, no Powder. You them look fine. Don't look at me, so. Hello. Tell yourself properly. He says, Powder, oh, your face say so. If me touch her, you know, my another mind I get, you know. Hello, Powder. Hello. Hey, what's up? Powder, hi. Hi, Powder. Don't think I will go any further than here. Hey, Powder, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, Powder. Hey, Powder. Hey, Powder. Hey, Powder. If you touch up my hand, I'm a dead person. Oh wow. So I can't touch my own daughter now. Eh? So I can't touch your Powder. Powder, I can't. You can't touch your. You can't touch your Powder. I'm afraid. Powder. No. I say you're gonna look at me the whole time. Huh? Like she said, this girl don't quit. Oh my god. You know, so like she cuss about her doing dog language. Hey, y'all see that? You see that Powder don't play though. Powder feisty when it comes to her couch. Understand? She don't care if you're mommy, daddy, owner, master. She don't care about that. Understand? The idea was I definitely wanted to see her reaction different from her just being all the cute little loving dog she is. So we know everybody has a bad side, yeah? And that's her bad side. Anytime she's in her comfort zone, she don't like to be disturbed. And we definitely discovered that today, for sure. Oh my gosh, powder. Something else, sir. That's my doggy powder, you know, sir. Oh god, I love her so dearly. And you know, I still would love her. She, bit off my hand. But that would be my fault if I put myself in that situation. But I tell you, sir, my hand wasn't going further than from right to so really. I'm gonna try my best not for too go too far with my hand. Come here, say, eh? Not today, not today. Not losing a hand in the name of videoing. At all. Oh my gosh, sir. Yes, people. So I'm your girl Brickle. You know always the ups and downs of things that occur in life. Though, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Don't forget to select all so that you receive all notifications every time I upload a new video. Please remember to leave a comment in the comment section. Make sure it's humorous, vibesy, and all those good things. Oh boy.
I hope you all enjoyed yourselves. Love you all. Peace. Mwah.